Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change characters and appearances on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here in the bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out videos. We have stories where you can go and check out some stories. The camera, we have of course your chats and your location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change characters and appearances on Snapchat. So of course, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, tap the profile icon at the top to go to your profile screen, which is on the top left, and it will be on all of your screens. Swipe down or tap on your avatar to open your customization menu, and then tap Edit Avatar to edit its appearance. Then change the outfit to get new threads. You can go and change selfie or post a background to update the way your Bitmoji looks on your profile. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.